We work to create Africa's next generation of problem solvers through hands-on learning and project-based learning education programs. Our programs create safe spaces, workshops, networks, and seed funding for youth to learn 21st century skills, gain STEM capacities, and go on to be civically minded leaders and entrepreneurs. I came to Agastya to learn about how we can grow our programs in Kenya and Sierra Leone, and how we can do this at scale. One of the things that I've learned is the value of having young leaders as ambassadors of the program. I was very impressed by the YIL program and seeing the students take ownership over their learning over the multiple sessions in 3 years. I was also very impressed by the teacher program where teachers created their own hands-on learning activities that they can take back to the classroom, which I think is very valuable, especially in the settings where we work at GMin. Lastly, I loved the space design that forced you to pause at times and observe, take notice of your surroundings, to question or to play, or to just enjoy and learn in them. Some opportunities I feel that Agastya has is really to take the innovations that the young people create at the innovation hubs to the next level and pair them up with incubators or possibly investors once they reach that age to go into businesses or even sell their idea. I also think that part of the messaging of Agastya, though it's clear that creating curious, confident young leaders is important, it's also that Agastya is creating the world's problem solvers, and that was very evident in the YIL program. Another thing that is an opportunity for Agastya is to have it document the research that's conducted here and publish for dissemination, but also as Agastya moves from an NGO to a movement. Publishing the findings and the research that's conducted here would be very valuable. Thank you so much for hosting me over this week, and I look forward to partnering with Agastya in the future. Thank you.